As we get older, the cells in our skin manifest themselves in the way of wrinkles on the skin. Without the proper skin care, they will come sooner than later. An anti-aging anti-wrinkle cream created with natural ingredients is the best way to combat the inevitable signs of aging, especially in the area of facial skin. Jojoba oil is preferred over any other anti-wrinkle skin care product because it does not have any toxic content. Most importantly, it is hypoallergenic in nature and rarely causes any adverse skin reactions. While purchasing jojoba oil, you have to be a little careful. Read the label carefully and select the one which contains the most pure and natural form of the oil only. Jojoba oil is produced from the seed of the jojoba plant, a shrubby tree that is native to southern Arizona and California. It likes hot, dry regions, and was used by the Native Americans for its many benefits. Jojoba oil helps to beautify your skin by minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, promoting skin suppleness and elasticity, preventing skin dehydration, balancing oil sebum production of the skin. How do you use jojoba? Have you experienced benefits from it? Please share your story.